you?
Hmm?
You don't see an orchard in the middle of a town, do you?
No. I like to see the clouds though, because it's just clear blue sky is nice, but visually, clouds improve it. Don't tell me you're getting warmed up.
Well, it was, but it's chilly again.
Well, that's it, you're taking your jacket off and made the sun go in.
Looks like it, yeah.
Nice fountain when it's running. Yeah. Bottle brush tree.
Yeah, that was cool. Bit like bottle brush and tree.
Yeah. They do like their shaded spots, don't they?
Oh, we didn't stand by
with good reason.
Yeah. Nice little harbour there.
Yeah. Yeah, lovely up there. No, that's all. So, here we are at Seron now.
Yeah.
Because we got the wrong day for Tijola.
I've got 2 dates.
Yeah.
13th and 14th. It didn't say which day.
No, right day if you want to have the free paella, but the wrong day for doing the decorated streets. That's tomorrow. So we're having a look at Seron and then going on back to Cela for the thermal pool.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got Plaza Nueva, nice little square with a fountain that's actually working. Yeah, I like the palm tree.
Yeah. So do the birds.
A lot of clouds about still, but sun shining on us, so... Sorry?
It looks like an old brownstone.
It is, isn't it? Well, probably is an old building that's been modernised.
Yeah.
have a look over the edge and for the views.
Turn right to stay on Cala Double.
Oh, it's all soft, isn't it? Yeah. 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 Big wind farm up in the distance.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's the Hermitage.
Hermitage, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, we're just going to head off up to the castle now. Oh. Yeah. There's a lot of clouds over the mountains, dear. As long as they stay there, not where we are.
That's right. It's not too far from you.
Okay, so
That's going to be
phone says one way, the sign says this way. Quite steep though. Quite a steep hill, isn't it?
Yeah.
They've got a handrail for people.
Oh, I didn't do any good that.
Okay, so now, yeah, hopefully it'll be even better up there. So that's the way up to the castle, at least it's reasonable steps.
Take a picture of
There you go, nearly there, just a few more steps. So after all that, we could have driven up here. Another view of the... You say that's the Hermitage? Funny place to have a church anyway, wouldn't it? So. Just when you think you've done all the stairs, they give you a final one to get up above everything. I'm guessing you're going to stay down there. Yeah, it's a big wind farm up there. Do a 360 now. Here we are at Estacion de Tijola, with their railway station. There's the water tower in the background and the old platform and station. That's the old line. Not sure where it went to. Where did it go to? Marcia?
raining.
Yeah, here we are at Cela, the thermal pool, and it suddenly decided to thunder and all sorts. Yeah. Well, you got a bar there and a bar there. And for the moment, I'd say let's get undercover. It is chucking it.
A bit wet feet.
Yeah, we haven't got enough cover here.
No.
Actually, we can make it to there, look, it's a bit drier. Yeah? Oh, just here actually. Oh, maybe that bit. God, blimey. Talk about rain.
Yeah.
Yeah, quite big fish for a little pool. It won't thunder now I've got the camera going.
No. The names of our pizza.